Hello everyone, this is Drone FPV in review, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a topic that I should have showed you in a much earlier video, where to fly a drone. There are many things that make a location suitable and not suitable to fly a drone, and you really should review your location before you even get a drone, because you might have nowhere to fly it. Today, I'm at a park with a baseball diamond, a playground in the distance, and a gigantic empty field. This is the location I did the parrot swing video at when it was a very windy day, and today it is also very windy. Where I am, it's usually very windy outside on cold days, and that's why I tend not to fly a lot, because in the winter there are a lot of cold days. As you can see, where I am right now, there are quite a lot of trees, and this is the location I usually start at, just in case. You never know. If drone gets caught in a tree up there, it's better than losing it, because you can always get like a fishing rod and try to get it down or something. But other than that, I come out here in this location because it's secluded from the rest of the park, you could say. Most people walk down a path over there, go to the park, and I mean, the baseball diamond is only used about once a week, so you don't have to worry about it. When I come drone flying, I always like to come early in the morning because there are the least people here. Also, I find that the environment is better, less wind, usually warmer, stuff like that. Another crucial point that I just gotta mention is that you gotta find a good park for your drone. This one here is pretty big. There's also another one I fly at that's around the same size, maybe a little bit smaller. And this kind of park would be good for, say, a Syma X8. Maybe a cheap non-GPS, maybe even GPS camera quadcopter, something like that. The reason why this isn't good for something like a racing drone is because, well, there's not really much of a challenge. Maybe down there, in between those trees, you can get some good racing in. Maybe even over here. But I mean, there's just not much. And even if you set it up, it's just an empty field. To do racing, you'd want something with a little bit more trees, just not too many. Now, the reason I say this isn't good for very expensive camera quadcopters is because I believe those need an even bigger area. This is just in the middle of the city here, and there's not even much to look at. Once or twice you go up and see it. I'll even post a video soon showing you that, a nice overview of the city. But other than that, you need a big park, maybe even like some kind of park 3-4 times bigger than this, with nice trees everywhere, and not in the winter, because nothing's gonna be green really. Other than that, the last thing you need to know about parks is really obstacles man-made. I don't have problems about that here. Baseball diamond again, playground. Sometimes if you have a baseball diamond in parks or soccer field, there are going to be these big light posts, and those actually do prove a problem, because I have hit my drone across one of those before, and it was not fun. With all that said, you now know how to pick a great location to fly your drone, mainly a park, not in a backyard like I do, because, well, you are going to crash it probably, like I have, and I'll see you in the next video.